So I have this old garden table which has been with us for about 10 years, and because we've got so much time on our hands now, I'm going to clean it up and give it a new coat of paint and make it as new as possible. So I've gone ahead and taken off the tabs so I can remove the legs. It's just going to be easier to remove all parts and paint it instead of it being on the table. To remove the glass, all of these tabs and fixings need to be on one side of the table. It is a bit rusty, so it might take some force, and the glass should then just slide out. I did take a picture of it before removing it so that I can remember how it should go back together. I gave all the parts a good rub down with some sandpaper to remove any rust or any flaky paint, and I also gave the glass a good clean down as well. Once I painted all the parts, I did manage to get the glass back in. I did need my mum to help me, and then I've pushed all the tabs back around in roughly this it basically. The table looks so much more cleaner and brighter, and it fits into the garden much better now.